Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display comparison between the Realme X2 versus the Redmi K20 Pro device. So, where a lot of viewers are interested in knowing the which display is better in terms of the quality and viewing angles. So, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, guys. Sai Tech Guru will be posting a lot of interesting videos and tips and tricks and comparison reviews. So, if you want to know more in details about the Realme X2 device, I will suggest you to go to the playlist of the Realme X2 phone. So, where you can find a lot of various videos which I did on the Realme X2, and definitely I'll be doing plenty of videos in the upcoming days. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, guys, and also do check the playlist of other smartphones as well if you are interested. So you can find in the description for the links of all these playlist. So now before going to the test, let me show you the exact specifications of both the displays comparing side by side. So what technologies they are using. So you can see the Realme X2 as a Super AMOLED and the K20 Pro even as a Super AMOLED. So both the phones are having the same kind of AMOLED screen technology, and the screen on the Redmi K20 Pro is a little bit shorter than the Realme X2 device. This is a little bit smaller, so 6.39 inches to the 6.4 inches. That is not much, but a little bit smaller. And next, the resolution is of same 1080p in both the phones, as you can see here. And next, the only thing is that the Redmi K20 Pro comes with the HDR10 and DCI-P3 100% color gamut. So that means you'll get a little bit of higher levels of color accuracy and higher saturation and contrast levels. So these are overall difference between the screen qualities of the Realme X2 versus the Redmi K20 Pro device. So now let me get back to the Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X2 device, as you can see here. So let me open the MX player in both the phones and open the same video, so which is of the 4K video. Let me decrease the audio. So as you can see here, guys, screen on the Redmi K20 Pro is a little bit having slightly higher saturation levels, but there is an option in the Redmi K20 Pro to, if you want, you can increase the saturation levels as well. So I'll do that, guys, next. So right now all the saturation colors in the Redmi K20 Pro is set to the low, so that's why you're seeing a little bit of not that high colors in the Redmi K20 Pro. But definitely I'll be doing one more test right now. So now let's just compare side by side with the default settings. How is the screen quality and how is the viewing angles in both the phones. Another good thing is the Redmi K20 Pro doesn't have any notch, and it's very good thing to watch in a full screen display when compared with the normal Realme X2 phone. So now let me change the settings in the Redmi K20 Pro to the maximum. So let me show you how to do that. So even I did a video on that, how you can do. So in the Redmi K20 Pro, you have the option to increase up to extreme saturation level colors, as you can see here clearly. So now let me try to open the same MX player again, and let me try to play the same video from the beginning. And now compare side by side. You can clearly see the huge difference in terms of the video clarity and contrast levels, as you can see clearly. So now the display of the Redmi K20 Pro looks very much brighter. So let me increase the brightness. As you can see, both the phones are having same kind of brightness levels, full brightness. And now you can see clearly the Redmi K20 Pro is very much good and better. So let me decrease the brightness to the 10% in both the phones, and let's see which one is brighter at medium levels. As you can see, the Redmi K20 Pro is a little bit much brighter when compared with the Realme X2 device. So this is with the same brightness settings in both the phones. So when you use the extreme settings in the Redmi K20 Pro, you will get very much animated type colors. So that's why I would not recommend to use the extreme levels. So maybe you can choose the moderate colors in the device. So but overall, guys, that's a very good thing that in the Redmi K20 Pro you have the option to increase the colors. So if you increase like this, there is no other smartphone right now which I can compare side by side with the Redmi K20 Pro, which has same equal levels of colors. So even with the OnePlus 7 Pro or Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the brightness in the Redmi K20 Pro is much more better when compared with other smartphones. So alright guys, this is a quick review and comparison between the displays of the Redmi K20 Pro versus the Realme X2 device. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for that. And don't forget to check the links as well guys for the playlist of Realme X2 device. So till now I uploaded 23 videos, and definitely I'll be uploading a lot videos in the future. So maybe more than 100 or 50 videos I'll be uploading definitely. So see you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.